Okay, so let's talk about the different kind of materials used in storm doors. You can get storm doors that are metal or aluminum. You can get steel storm doors. Those are typically the security doors. Or you can get a wood core, vinyl or plastic clad door. All of them are pretty durable. It kind of just depends on what you're looking for. First, if you get a wood core door that has a vinyl or plastic coating, those are typically the lower end doors and less expensive. They're solid, so they still keep the cold out and the warm in the wintertime and vice versa in the summertime. So they're still a good value. If you move up to the aluminum doors, it's typically extruded aluminum, which just is a fancy way of saying it's hollow aluminum. Those are typically more durable. It's aluminum. The finish is typically baked on or powder coated. They won't rust as much as like a steel security door. Steel is by far the heaviest and most durable of all the materials. You see those typically in the security doors. I call them people doors because they keep people out, but not necessarily bugs. But those are really the three types of materials.